Welcome to our cooking class. Would you like to cook with us? Great! Today we are going to teach you how to make a delicious potato bread roll. If you like freshly baked bread, you will love this recipe. Call your family and friends to cook with you. Are you ready? Well then, let's start! First, let's take a look at the ingredients. We will need 2 cups of flour, 1½ tablespoon of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 big cooked potato, mashed, 2 yolks, ½ cup of milk. Now that you know the ingredients, let's check the utensils that we will need to make our delicious rolls. A baking pan, a bowl, and now that you have seen all the ingredients and the utensils, it's time to start. In a big bowl, place all the ingredients. Mix all of them together with your hands until the mixture is smooth. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, go! Make small balls with the dough and put them onto the baking pan. Preheat the oven. Bake the potato bread rolls for 20 minutes or until they are golden brown. Let's go! Bread rolls are ready. Let's try them, shall we? Delicious! Did you like this recipe? Leave a comment below and tell us who would you like to invite to make this delicious recipe with you. Follow us and we will notify you whenever we have any new episodes. Enjoy!